Mahmood and I'm here at a demo
Why?
because I think that what Israel's doing to Palestine is wrong.
What do you want to see?
Justice.
Middle East.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more!
Occupation no more.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more!
Occupation no more!
Occupation no more! Okay.
What do we want?
Your name?
My name's Richard Searle. I'm a member of Respect and a member of North Manchester's Against Wars. So today I'm demonstrating because the issue of Palestine's always been a very important issue for me. It's always been a central issue in terms of global politics. And this demonstration of thousands today in Manchester has been organised at 5 days' notice. There's been demonstrations every day, and if this is the first demonstration and one of many, then there's something heartening about an alternative to the way Britain portrays itself in the world.
What do you want to achieve by the demonstration?
First of all, today I want to achieve a demonstration is the people in Palestine know that the people of Manchester are behind them. And that's the first thing, that people in Palestine don't feel isolated. And that's the first responsibility we have. Second one, to start to put pressure on this government to stop being so mealy-mouthed and kowtowing to the whole Zionist agenda.
What do you want to say to the people who are watching across the world?
I want to say to people watching this around the world that we are one global movement, you know, and it's on our shoulders to make a real change, and that's what we're doing today, is one small step towards that greater goal.
And I'm here because I can't bear what is happening in Gaza, the terrible waste of life, the injustice of it, and after all these years it's about time people got together and started talking about it. As a mother, I feel it's a terrible waste of life. I can't bear what is happening, and I would always come and demonstrate against it, and I think the majority of people in Britain feel the same about it.
What do you think about what the British Prime Minister said?
Oh, I think he's just sitting on the fence. He's too much in the hands already of America, and I'm just so disappointed. Believe in the old Labour policy, which would not have done this. It would have said it's wrong. It's morally wrong.
Old Labour always supported Israel.
Exactly. Oh, true. But there are a lot of people who were what I call old socialists who support what's happened in Palestine. Right.
Thank you.
From Stoke-on-Trent, and we are here for the solidarity with the Palestinian people, and we want end of the siege and the end of the bombing in Gaza, and we want a free Palestinian state.
My name's Linda and I'm from Manchester, and I've been very concerned for a number of years about the situation for the Palestinian people, and particularly now at this time what is happening to the people in Gaza is absolutely despicable, and I wish everybody in this country would do what we're doing today and tell our government and our politicians that they need to take action on the world stage in order for the Palestinians to have justice.
What do you want to say to all the people watching in South Asia and Kashmir?
In South Asia and Kashmir, I want to say to you that we're with you in your quest for justice, and we want justice for people everywhere in the world.
Gaza, don't you cry!
We shall never let you die!
We shall never let you die!
Gaza, Gaza, don't you cry!
Gaza, Gaza, don't you cry!
We shall never let you die!
We shall never let you die!
1, 2, 3, 4! 1, 2, 3, 4! Occupation no more! Occupation no more! 1, 2, 3, 4! 1, 2, 3, 4! Occupation no more! Occupation no more! 5, 6, 7, 8! 5, 6, 7, 8! 5, 6, 7, 8! 5, 6, 7, 8! Israel is a racist state! Stop the killing! Stop the hate! Stop the killing! Stop
Catholic word?
Sorry?
From Granada Television.
Granada, yes.
So, why are you here today?
Well, I mean, we came here to demonstrate and to express our, anger and expression about what's happening in Gaza. It's what happening is beyond any belief. I think beyond any belief. I mean, the atrocities and the killing of children and innocent, children and women. It's unbelievable what's happening in Gaza. I think. So we came here to demonstrate and to awaken the world about what's happening in Gaza. So please, I mean, stop the killing, stop the siege, and what happened in Gaza, unbelievable. It's beyond any imagination, I think.
Thank you very much.
$5, 6, 7, 8. Israel is the racist state. Stop the killing, stop the hate. Israel is a terrorist state. Stop the killing, stop the hate.
Down, down, golden brown.
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 Free, free.
Palestine.
Free, free.
Palestine.
Free, free.
Palestine. BBC, tell the truth. BBC, tell the truth. BBC, shame on you. BBC, shame on you. BBC, shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. BBC, tell the truth. BBC, tell the truth. BBC, tell the truth. BBC, tell the truth. BBC, shame on you. BBC, shame on you. BBC, shame on you. BBC, shame on you.
BBC, tell the truth.
BBC, shame on you. BBC, shame on you. End the occupation now. End the occupation now. End the occupation now. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. BBC, tell the truth. BBC, we hate you.
Where's the get it?
Golden Brown, you have let our children down. Golden Brown, Golden Brown. river to the sea,
Palestine will be free.
from the river to the sea,
Palestine will be free.
from the river to the sea,
Palestine will be free.
from the river to the sea.
Palestine will be free.
Free, free,
Palestine.
free, free,
Palestine. 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 Stop the killing, stop the crime. Stop the killing, stop the crime.
Palestine, Palestine, free, free, Palestine, free, free, Palestine, free, free, Palestine.
Occupation no more. Occupation no more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't want the racist state. We don't want the racist state. Stop the killing now. Stop the killing now. Since the Palestine. Free, free. Palestine. Free, free. Palestine.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more. Occupation no more.
Palestine, free Palestine.
See one of us will speak to that. It's a bit too.
Angry, because I'm angry. I'm very angry. I can't see what is wrong with the United Nations. I can't see what is wrong with the Americans. What's going on in this world? We see the Zionists. They come and fight civilians. Go to the battle. Why are you killing innocent people? Why are you killing children?
What do you think about the Arab leader?
Oh, they are not the puppet. They are Zionists. They are stupid. One day they will be taken over. They share the crime. They share the Israelis. They share the crime. All what they could do is sending food. Food. What's food? They need to defend themselves. They've got the right to defend themselves.
Palestine! Palestine! Palestine!